Hello, I saw your question. Here I posted to work. You want to find the probability the height of somebody's greater than 65 inches. And so that'd be, you want to find the z-score, probability z-score, and you got to calculate this number here. So you're given the mean of the population, which is the same as the mean of the sample space is 64.5. Your sample space has 65 people. Standard deviation for the population is 2.76. You got to get the standard deviation for the sample space, which is standard deviation of the population over square root of n. So you take 2.76 and divide it by square root of 65, and I hear several digits of it. Now the z-score, will be the 65 inches minus the population or sample population height, which was 64.5, divided by the standard deviation of the sample, which we just calculated, which comes out, and I round it 2 decimals, 1.75. Then I look, you could look at up in the table, which I did, find the area to the, this would be the area to the left, or you could use your calculator or a stat crunch, And so this is the area left. We want the area to the right, so it's 1 minus 0.9599, which is 0.0401. Hope this helps.